We've been here since 2 o'clock in the morning and we cannot get out.
Where are you trying to go?
Florida!
Good luck!
Slick roads, icy winds, and blowing snow. It's hardly a spring break paradise.
Everyone is strongly urged to stay indoors and off the roads unless it is absolutely necessary.
The only time I get paid is when them wheels are rolling. When I'm sitting, I don't get nothing.
The snow's brought a forced break for Bob Buska and his fellow truck drivers.
It's just like the worst nightmare. You're out there to make a buck, you know, and you got this load that's got to be there, and your company's expecting to be there with it.
Drivers huddle inside a roadside diner, waiting out the storm.
I got a load of meat on for, got to deliver in the morning in Atlanta, Georgia.
I don't think it's getting there.
Not really. Not me sitting here.
Aren't too many days you'd want to walk along this stretch of I-24 West, but today, no big deal. After all, no one else is using it.
It's just from can to can't. You just go, and go. I've got probably a 4-hour waiting list right now. People that's called in that I can't get to it.
Jimmy Jacobs knows where he'd rather be right now.
Sitting by a nice warm fire.
The roads are awful. I don't think the state owns any snow. Oh, I saw the 2 snowplows they own. They went that way.
But Robert Lenz and his friends aren't giving up on plans to find warmth in sunny Florida.
The spirit's there. The weather's just not cooperating.
The big chill that is sweeping the south has frozen most of Nashville. As the temperature drops, weather-related problems start to rise. Power outages left thousands of Middle Tennessee families in the dark. NES crews are working around the clock trying to restore electricity and heat to these homes.
Well, we've been working Murfreesboro Road here and Thompson Lane over there. Probably been out about 2 hours. Wind, blowing the trees, may fall across the lines, stuff like that.
I definitely want the temp to go today.
The Tennessee Emergency Management Agency is also working overtime. Workers are busy opening up shelters in east and southern Tennessee. Governor Ned McWhirter has declared a snow emergency for most of the state, activating more than 200 National Guard. And just about every major interstate in Tennessee is closed for the evening.
If you can get home, stay at home. If you can't get home, spend the night with anybody you can find that'll let you stay in their home. Stay in tonight. This will be a critical night.
You know this bus right here.
The Greyhound bus station is where hundreds of people are spending the night. Busloads of travelers are stranded here in Nashville. Alonzo Todd is from Detroit. He thought he would be in Alabama by now.
This is it for the night. As you see, it's 3 or 4 buses. Some people have been here for 2 days, and they got kids here, and you have to pay for your own lodging, and this is terrible.
Tennessee's Department of Transportation still does not know if the interstates will reopen by tomorrow. But these angry travelers say if they have to stay in Nashville another day, they'll be looking to blame someone else besides Mother Nature. Angela Brown, Channel 2 News, Nightside.